Alright, what's up, YouTube? I'm back. So today we're gonna be just a yap session, and I may be doing my curly hair because I start school tomorrow. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna be doing the curly hair routine because why not? And might as well take y'all with me. I sound so country saying that, I swear. This has saved me so many times, I swear. Okay. Loki might speed this up, so yeah. So first of all, we're gonna start off with taking off the glasses. Anyway. Anyway, reveal the hair, I swear. Oh. Okay. So today's products are gonna be Agua. I know how to say Agua. Miss Jessie's conditioner. I've not used Miss Jessie's, so this will be the first time. Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls, aka the curl lotion. And then this is the gel. Amazon. I don't know how to pronounce that because freak. And then Not Your Mother Stock Mousse. And then we're also gonna be using I don't know if I'm gonna record this later, but I'm gonna put oil. If you know, it smells luxurious. Here's the Temu. From Temu, don't play. I don't recommend using Temu. It's not good. Anyway, nobody know. My mom's got it. Anyway, we're gonna be sectioning off our hair. Okay. By the way, I got a haircut in case you didn't know, because it used to be like down here. Anyway, it's a lot actually. Okay. So I'll be starting school tomorrow. Not fun times because I don't want to be in this booty cheeks school. I use 2 clips because the side of my head, the hair just falls down, so we put 2 clips in. By the way, with curly hair, if you know, you know, but you gotta drench it in water for the product to stay. Anyway. I'm gonna take the chair that I'm sitting on currently. My gamer chair! Ew, get out, okay. So my hair's diffused, but I like to have it like, Jesus, semi-dry, or like semi-wet, because like, I don't know, plus this is for volume, kind of, I don't know, but my bangs are like, stop it! Anyway, yeah, I'll see y'all whenever it's completely dry and I've already put oil.